Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we will solve a LeetCode 9 palindrome number. I will explain two approaches. The first approach convert the number into a string and the second approach solve it without converting it into a string. Let's get started. First of all, read the question. Given an integer x, return a true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Live example. We are given an integer x 1 to 1. We need to return true if reads the same from left to right and left to right and right to left. Otherwise return false. Approach 1. First of all, convert x convert into a string. String s equal to string dot value of value of x. Then initialize a two pointer. One start from the beginning. Int left equal to 0. Int right equal to s dot length minus 1 and other from the end. Using a while loop, check a condition left is less than right. If s dot caret left is not equal to s dot caret right, return true. Then left plus plus right minus minus. If the loop finishes without any mismatch, I return true. Return true. Time complexity of this code is big of n. Execute the code. Oh, sorry. Return false. All test cases are passed. Submit the code. See this second approach. Second approach without converting a string. First of all, using a if condition. If x is less than 0 or x modulo 10 equal to 0 and x is not equal to 0, return false. If the number is negative, it cannot be a palindrome because of the minus sign. Also, if the number ends with 0 but is not 0 itself, it cannot be a palindrome. Then initialize int reverse equal to 0 using a while loop. X is greater than reverse. Instead of reversing the entire number, I reverse only half of it. This makes the solution more efficient and avoid an integer overflow. Then using a logic, reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus x modulo 10. I take the last digit of the number and append it to the reversed half. X equal to x divided by 10. Loop are finished. Then return x equal to reverse, x equal to reverse, or x equal to reverse divided by 10. Execute the code. All test cases are passed. Submit the code.